Hello. The best phrase I've ever heard from someone is that the act of complacency is the rat race to stay the same. In other words, people often don't like where they are in respect to their finances, fitness level, professional career, or enjoyment of life, but they are real experts in making excuses, and that's how they stay in the same place. Excuses or results, they cannot coexist. Here's what the dictionary says. A complacent person is very pleased with themselves or feels that they do not need to do anything about a situation, even though the situation may be uncertain or dangerous. If you are content with life and the results you get, it can be a great acknowledgement of where you are in life. However, complacency can be the killer of your ambitions and dreams because you may have given up on life. If you are ready to say goodbye to complacency, there is a very simple fix. Look for new challenges and be willing to learn and to grow every single day. We can learn new things from every person we meet. We can search for new solutions to old problems. We can read books, watch educational videos, take courses, or work with a coach. In a constantly changing world, it is very dangerous to stand still and give up on your self-improvement. Are you with me on that? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.